I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to unlink your bank account from Square, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Open your web browser and go to the Square website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Access bank account information. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Bank Accounts. This will show you the list of bank accounts linked to your Square account. Step 4. Select the bank account to unlink. Identify the bank account you want to unlink. Click on the Edit button next to that account to access the unlinking option. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. After clicking Edit, look for the Remove Bank Account option. Click it and confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the unlinking process. Remember, if you have pending transactions, you may need to wait until they are processed before unlinking. I hope this helps you manage your Square account more easily.